If you are on a budget and want to save money on a walkway, consider mixing cement into concrete yourself. This guide will give you step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Gather your materials: cement, sand, gravel, and water. Decide on the ratio of ingredients. A common ratio is 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel. Begin by mixing the dry ingredients, cement, sand, and gravel, in a wheelbarrow or mixing tray. Slowly add water to the mixture, stirring continuously until you achieve a consistent texture. Be careful not to add too much water, as this can weaken the concrete and compromise the strength and stability of the walkway, while not adding enough water can result in a mixture that is too dry and difficult to work with. Continue mixing until the concrete is smooth and free of lumps. Use the concrete immediately, as it will begin to harden quickly. By following these steps, you can create strong and durable concrete for a variety of DIY projects, from building a patio to creating a garden path. Remember to take safety precautions while mixing and working with concrete, including wearing gloves and a mask to protect your skin and lungs.